I'm Joe from WeCool and this is Freesolo S9. Its high quality metal, magnetic locking and great battery backup makes it both technologically and aesthetically advanced. Its cable comes with a circular cable management clip that makes it easily adjustable, snug fit and tangle free. It also has a reliable battery backup along with a LED battery indicator and a sturdy carry case. To all those who know that black and grey are the colors that define them, this Bluetooth headset is just the right fit for you. WeCool believes that a perfect product comes with ideal accessories, so do not be surprised to find 2 pairs of earbuds, 2 pairs of horns and a USB cable also at your service.